Nothing says spring like beautiful tulips in the garden. They start off as these tiny little bulbs and they turn into a beautiful flower in the springtime. And they're really easy to grow and you don't have to be a green thumb to do it. There's a big variety of bulbs to choose from. So many choices. There's tulips, daffodils, jonquils, freesias, irises. I could go on and on. It's always good to pick nice, firm, heavy ones, and they can't be squishy. And then you definitely don't want them light because even though they look fine, they can be dead inside. It is a good idea to plant them straight away, but if you can't, store them in a cool, dark, dry place. The best time to plant your bulbs is when the weather starts to cool down. So if you're in a cooler climate, it's generally March to April, and if you're in warmer areas, you'd generally go around May. Most bulbs prefer full sun. They like a nice soil that's rich in compost and fertiliser, that drains well. You don't want your bulbs sitting in soil that holds the moisture because the roots can rot, and it can also rot the bulb. It's always a good idea to fluff up the soil, break up any lumps that you've got going on. If you've got any weeds, get rid of those. And then you can add some compost at the same time. Plant them twice as deep as their height with the pointy end sticking up. There's only one other exception, and that's the ranuncle, and they've got like claws and they go down. Well, the best way to plant bulbs to get maximum effect is the taller ones at the back of your garden, and then medium size in the middle, smaller ones at the front. Your bulbs can touch each other, that's okay, and really if you want great effect, the more the better. Once you've planted your bulbs in the ground, you can cover them over with some mulch and then you can water them in with a liquid fertiliser. They'll love that. If you're planting your bulbs in pots, the best soil to use is a bulb potting mix. Leave them in the shade, and then once you start to see their green tips emerge, then you move them into full sun and then they'll just take off. Planting bulbs is really easy. Anyone can do it. I love it. Once you've put them in the ground, you give them a bit of food, they keep repeating their joy year after year.